Hi there, it's been a while since I last uploaded some things onto YouTube. Since then, I've been working on quite a few things. The first being extending the interface of the PiPicoFX. This Wusen box, which is still a temporary enclosure, of course, is an extended version of the Raspberry Pi Pico, which contains three switches, which allow changing from one program to the other. Or could. This is a high gain model, which of course doesn't really work so well with microphone. This already leads me to the next extension. It now features a microphone input on one side of the naturally stereo input, and the other one is still a high gain instrumental input. It still has the three knobs, three potentiometers, and the minimalistic interface containing a rotary switch and enter and exit button. It also has symmetric outputs which are not wired yet, and a phone output which I'm using to record the stuff. It becomes more like not an experimental platform, but it turns into a usable multi-effects device, not only for guitar but also for vocals or synthesizer or whatever might occur. Okay. I also ported the entire software onto an Electrosmith Daisy Port platform by just keeping the old user interface. At an early stage of the Raspberry Pi Pico development, I also already ventured into floating point arithmetics. I already ported the software into a STM32 F whatever Nucleo board, but this development board, first of all, it was too big, and second, it has proven to be in a cheap, or of course they're cheap, and not in a state which is really suitable for handling delicate audio signals. But when the Electrosmith Daisy Port got available again, I thought, okay, now is the time to extend it also performance-wise. This hasn't shown to have so much of an effect because of this the processor on the Daisy Port is single core, while the PiPico is dual core. Of course, it runs on a much higher CPU rate, 480, but if the two cores are used well, I think for audio processing they might end up in an average speed of something around 200 megahertz over both cores, so it's not that much. Still a factor of 2, but not extreme. But also Electrosmith Daisy is much more complex to program, but it features a lot more memory, so it's probably gonna explore like looper territories or really long delay effects and so on. So it might go in a bit different direction. That's about it. And just to end this little video, I'm just going to do a little audio demo with guitar and some vocals. Try to sing Song to the Siren by Tim Buckley. Just a few bars just to have something musical, because in the end I'm still doing devices which are not only technical, but I'm first of all a music lover, and so trying my best. Song to the Siren. Lonely float on shipless ocean, I did all my best to smile to your singing eyes and fingers, drew me loving to your eyes. Sing to me, let me unfold you. Okay, that's about it for the audio demo. See you in the next video. I hope it's not going to take so long. And happy building and programming or listening or whatever you do. Bye.